blowing snow with blizzard conditions. Accumulations. Snow accumulation of 18 to 24 inches. Snowfall rates of 2 to 4 inches late Monday night into Tuesday morning. Winds north 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Visibilities 1/4 mile or less at times. Temperatures mid-teens to lower 20s. Timing. Light snow will begin Monday morning with accumulations of 1 to 2 inches possible by the evening rush. Snow will pick up in intensity Monday evening with the heaviest snow and strongest winds from about midnight Monday night into Tuesday afternoon. Impacts. Life-threatening conditions and extremely dangerous travel due to heavy snowfall and strong winds with whiteout conditions. Secondary and tertiary roads may become impassable. Strong winds may down power lines and tree limbs. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. All unnecessary travel is discouraged beginning Monday afternoon to allow people already on the road to safely reach their destinations before the heavy snow begins. Roads. For the following areas in New Jersey, western Monmouth and eastern Monmouth, blizzard